In the middle of rising tension and warfare, a quiet but very powerful moment has unfolded at the sea. Two India-linked LPG carrier, they have successfully crossed one of the most sensitive waterways on the planet Earth. We are talking about the Strait of Hormuz. Now, this is not just a routine journey. It is a high-risk passage, and that too through a whole region where every moment is being watched. Welcome to Times XP's War Report with me, Priti Athri. Well, the vessel Jagvasant and Pine Gas, they were carrying a massive load of LPG. That's about 92,000 metric tons. Yes, fuel that powers home, industries, economies, and fuel that cannot be delayed. The Strait of Hormuz is not just any route. It is one of the most important oil and gas choke points in the world. Basically, it's a very narrow passage where a large portion of global energy supply passes every single day. So right now, it's under pressure, with tension between Iran and the United States running sky high. Every ship crossing that route, it carries a lot of risk. Yet, these vessels move forward, steady, careful, focused. On board were Indian seafarers, 33 on one ship and 27 on another one, navigating not just the sea but also uncertainty. They are not just operating a ship here, they are crossing a potential flashpoint. Visuals show that Pine Gas carrier moving through the narrow stretch, highlighting how close the global trade operates to geopolitical tension. Now, this transit, it matters because when ships continue to move, supply continues to flow, right? Well, if routes like Hormuz, they slow down or close, the impact is immediate. Fuel prices will rise, supply chain will tighten, and economies will feel the pressure here. And that is why every successful transit, it sends a signal that movement is still possible and the system is still functioning. However, the risk has not disappeared. Security concerns remain high, military presence continue, and uncertainty is still part of the journey. But for India, this is a significant moment because energy imports depend heavily on safe maritime route. And every successful crossing, it ensures stability back home. It also highlights something deeper though, how global trade rather, energy and conflict are all connected. One single route, a narrow stretch of water, and the entire world is watching. Because in today's world, even one ship crossing safely can carry more than just fuel. Well, it carries stability now.